Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at array, unshift and pop methods of JavaScript. I am Akansha Banerjee and let's together begin with a smile on our face. Yes, okay, yes. First we will start with the arrays unshift method. That is, we are prepending or inserting at the beginning of the original array. So this is the syntax arrays name dot unshift with element 1, element 2, so on. So these elements will be added to the beginning of the original array. So it will modify the original array, that is it is in place, and adds the elements in the beginning and will return the new length of the updated array. So this is an example is given in this array 2, 3. If I give unshift 1, it will add 1 in the beginning and it will return the length of the new length of the array. Okay. So if you want to build array in reverse order, then you will be thinking about the unshift method to add in the beginning. All right. Then we will talk about the pop method of the arrays. So before that, we can see one example of unshift. We will go to our Visual Studio Code. Yes, here only it is the earlier code. This is our array courses. And suppose the college decides to introduce a new course. We will name it using a variable, uh, new course. Say the name of the course is discrete maths. I'm writing in short as DM. This is an advanced maths course. Then what we will do, we have to add this new course in the beginning of the courses list. Suppose that is the requirement. Okay. Then what I can do is courses dot unshift new course, new underscore course, and let's print console dot log courses. Okay, and let us run this now. Yeah, over here node array array uh, array dot js. See, it is printing discrete maths in the beginning. Okay. Now let us talk about the arrays pop method. That means it is used for deleting from the original array. You are deleting elements from the end. Okay? So removing the last element from the original array. For that we will use array.pop. It will remove the last element from the array and return you the element which has been removed. Okay. Then array length returns the removed element. See, I have said that. This is the example. Say 1, 2, 3. If you apply pop method, it will return the last index, that is 3, and finally in the original array the elements will be 1 and 2. Okay. So let us see an example of pop as well. Okay. Now in the original array only, in our courses, we have 3 courses. Suppose the college decides that it will discontinue the English course. Okay. So what we can do is, we can just keep up the popped element in variable. Uh, let's say archive for deleted course. Archived course is equals to our courses dot pop method, and again we will print out dot log our courses array. Let us check. We will run this code again. See, earlier we had discrete math, English in the. Okay, let us print the discontinued course as well. Console.log popped course then plus archive. Okay, let us see. Now we will run this again. Okay, see, it printed this. This was the list when we unshifted discrete maths in the beginning. Then we pop the course from the end, that is English, right? And then our new array becomes discrete math and math. Okay. Also, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channels to get more JS tutorials. Bye bye and take care.